Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this exercise is how to sort the numeric data from a table in QlikView. So if we want to sort the data quickly, so if there is any shortcut that we will see so that we can sort the data in ascending manner and descending manner, lower to higher and higher to lower. So likewise we can do it. So first of all we have to look the data, go to file, click on file, go to edit script. So after clicking on this particular edit script, click on this particular table file. So select a file. I'll select a file named as coffee chain sales. Click on open. Labels. I want embedded labels. I'll directly click on finish. So code is directly generated over here. You can see that load, and this is nothing but the file name coffee chain sales, and the table which we have taken is coffee chain sales table. Click on OK. Then click on reload. Yeah. So 18 lines is being fetched in this particular QlikView document or main sheet of QlikView. Now what we have to do, we have to right click over here, go to this particular properties. After that properties, go to this particular new sheet object. Directly right click and go to new sheet object and then go to table box. Then from this available fields, click on add-on. So if you want to display any error message, we can click on error message. So we have to take the fields from coffee chain sales table. You have to keep in mind that we have to take the fields from coffee chain sales table. You have to click on apply. So these are the fields which is going to reflect over here in the main sheet. Click on apply and then OK. So now you can see that there is ascending manner. So this is the numeric data. So this will be displayed in the ascending manner, lower to higher. And then from descending manner, higher to lower, we can also display. So I'll click on this particular button. So you can see that it is being changed from higher to lower. Now again I will click on this particular button. So now it is being changed from lower to higher. So in this way we can sort the data from lower to higher as well as from higher to lower. That is in ascending manner as well as in descending manner. So the instant when I have clicked on this, you can see this product is Earl Grey, then product type tea, mint, herbal tea. So likewise these are the product type, region, from where it is, in which state and which type of this. So when I click on this particular, so it is being taken into descending order, higher to lower. Now the product type, product as well as the region, state and type is also going to change. So I hope you have understood how to sort the data, how to sort the data, numeric data from a table in case of QlikView. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.